Ready to dive into a massive library of mobile games. Today, we'll walk you through registering for Taptap, the ultimate global gaming platform, specifically for users in China. First, locate and tap the Taptap app icon on your device to open the application. Once the app has opened, you will be greeted with the app's home screen. You will see a large, visually prominent Register G3YG button. Tap this button to initiate the account registration process. You'll now be presented with the registration form. Begin by entering your phone number in the designated field. Next, create a strong, secure password and enter it into the password field. You will then need to obtain a verification code. Tap the Send Verification Code or similar button. You will then receive a short verification code via SMS on the phone number that you entered. Take the verification code that was sent to your mobile phone and enter that into the verification code field. Double-check the code to ensure the correct input of data. Before you can proceed, you will need to agree to Taptap's terms of service. Make sure you read the terms of service carefully, then select the checkbox to indicate your agreement. After finishing the previous steps, and once you have selected the registration confirmation, Taptap will either confirm your successful registration by showing a confirmation screen, or you will be taken to your newly created player profile. Congratulations, you've successfully registered. You can now browse, download, and play your favorite games on Taptap. Happy gaming!